Adding a maintenance issue is super simple. Let me show you how. First, click on Add Maintenance Issue. You'll then be presented with a list of categories which you can click through or search. You can either select the closest category or you can continue typing to override categories. Then select the severity of the issue and the property it relates to. You can add notes that will be visible only to you and other users added to your account. You can also add images and videos. Next, you can choose whether the issue has been created on behalf of a tenant. This is for if a tenant has contacted you directly. Selecting this will make it available in the tenant's dashboard. If the property is a shared house, you can choose whether this issue should be made visible to everybody in the house. This can save you time with having multiple issues reported for the same thing. Whenever an issue is shared with tenants, COHO will create a conversation where you can communicate about this specific task. You can choose to send an initial opening message when you add this issue. Simply click Add, and the maintenance issue will appear in your maintenance dashboard. Any tenants you have shared the issue with will see it in their My Home dashboard too, but we'll cover that in another video.